Yeah, obviously. What's up? What's good? What's poppin'? It's your girl Shorty with the Fro, and I'm back with another video. I don't know where this attitude coming from. I don't know. But today, this video is basically about me cutting my hair because it's a mess. Bear with me. I don't have the right filming equipment, but we're gonna manage. So let's just move on. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button to join the family. And make sure you also follow me on my socials. Let's get into it. Skip the first step. Didn't film me washing my hair, but it basically looks like this, and it's not cute. Just a bit of background information. I bleached my hair some time ago, and it was like fully blonde or more so yellow, but that's the story for a whole nother video. After some months, I decided to go back to black, and I used some regular box dye. Don't remember which one, but that has been washing out gradually, hence the current color, which is like a brownish orangey, I don't know what color that is. Not cute. I'm gonna section my hair and then cut off the color. Basically everything that's not my natural hair color is gonna come off. Hopefully my hair is not gonna end up too short. So as y'all can see, it is crazy dry, at least the tips, or most of it that was colored, which I'm gonna cut off today. I just wanna say, disclaimer, I've probably had to wet my hair about 4 or 5 times now because it dries so quickly. Y'all, please look at this hair. Like, my hair is so freaking dry. It's reminding me of hay. No curl pattern whatsoever, or like some waves, when my actual normal curl pattern is like a 3B/3C in some areas, even 4A. But like the bleach like just really damaged my hair, and it feels super dry, split ends everywhere, and it's so hard to detangle. Like, it's a nightmare. That's why the best thing really is just to cut it off. But y'all just gonna see me sectioning the hair into different parts.
The thing is that I was having some problems cutting it in front of the mirror because I was like kind of looking at it sideways. So y'all gonna be seeing me move locations.
I also want to say that I am in no way a professional, so I'm just gonna cut whatever I think is worth cutting. Oh my god. I didn't cut it. I cut the first piece. Alright y'all, so I decided to change locations. I'm in the bathroom now because it's going to be easier for me to cut my hair right in front of the mirror, whereas in my room it was kind of sideways, which is a bit tricky. So I started cutting. The bottom part is already color free. The top one I'm kind of scared, but I'm gonna cut it, so I'm gonna keep it updated. The big reveal. Let me try to find out what I'm finna do. And that is it for now. I'm gonna let it air dry and see what happens. Alright, y'all, this is pretty much it for this video. I hope y'all liked it. Leave your opinions or any questions you have in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my socials. And I hope to see y'all in my next video.